Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, and welcome back to our channel where we explore the art of Stoic living. Today, I have some exciting content for you, an insightful reflection inspired by an entry from Marcus Aurelius's Meditations. We're diving into day 29 with a focus on the profound yet simple wisdom of being simpler. Let's start with a timeless quote from Marcus Aurelius. With manly, Roman firmness, reflect every hour to do what lies in your power with reliable and unobtrusive importance, kindly, nobly, justly, giving yourself leisure from all other impressions. And you will achieve this if you do every action as if it were the last in your life, avoiding all randomness and not deviating under the influence of passion from decisive reason, away from pretense, selfishness, rejection of fate's accompanying decisions. You see, mastering so little, one can lead a blessed and godlike life. For even the gods demand nothing more from one who observes this. Marcus urges us to simplify our approach to life, focusing on what we can control and doing so with dignity and integrity. Every day, we're bombarded with questions like, what should I wear? Do people like me? Am I eating healthily enough? What will happen to me in the future? Is my boss satisfied with my work? Such questions, while they might seem crucial at the moment, often act as distractions from what truly lies in our control, the present moment and our actions within it. Reflect on the essence of Marcus Aurelius's teaching, to lead a life grounded in simplicity and purpose, like a Roman soldier focused on his duty. It's about cutting through the noise and zeroing in on what matters. One way to embrace this Stoic simplicity is to follow the advice given by New England Patriots coach Bill Belichick to his players. Do your job. This isn't just about professional duties, it's about every single action we undertake. Approach it with the seriousness and dedication as if it were your last action on earth. This aligns perfectly with Marcus Aurelius's guidance to approach every action as if it were the last. Even if it isn't, half-hearted work benefits no one. Precision and dedication bring clarity, and in that clarity, we find peace. Think about it. When we get lost in 1,000 distractions or entangled in other people's affairs, we lose sight of what we can genuinely control. Marcus encourages us to steer clear of randomness and impulses that deviate from reason. Instead, he teaches us to act directly, nobly, and justly. This focus leads not only to effectiveness, but also to a life resembling that of the divine, as even the gods demand nothing more than such observance. So how do we put this into practice in our modern lives? Let's simplify today's task. Break it down to its core components and approach it with full attention and purpose. Imagine if every action you took carried the weight of finality. How much more careful, deliberate, and meaningful would those actions be? Remember, it's not about rejecting all concerns for the future or other areas of life, but about prioritizing and handling them one at a time with unwavering attention. It's about doing our job, whatever that job might be, in the present moment, with excellence and purpose. Cultivating this mindset requires continuous self-reflection and discipline. From personal experience and my journey through corporate leadership, I can vouch for the transformative power of such focus. It's not just about getting things done, but doing them with a quality and dignity that uplifts our spirit and aligns us closer with the Stoic ideal. To all my friends out there seeking inner calm and practical wisdom, let's take up this Stoic challenge. Each day, identify one task and execute it with the utmost simplicity and precision. Observe how this shifts your mindset and increases your effectiveness. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Stoic simplicity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's build a community of modern Stoics, thriving together in resilience, purpose, and inner peace. Until next time, continue living with clarity and determination.